To add weather info to the lock screen on the Samsung S26 Ultra, we get actually three methods, and let me show you all of them. So first of all, we have to open the settings, and now we have to go into the wallpaper and style. Oh, that was the misclick, sorry. Now we have to go for the lock screen, and the first option, when we click on the clock, we can go for the style and click to show weather information. As you can see, it's not visible here because I've got custom option, but if you have the default like this one, it will be visible just over here. The next option, by adding widget. So now when you open that screen with the weather, you can add, for example, the current temperature and weather in your city. There we go. But that's not everything, because when we click here, probably you don't have this option, and click to app widgets, you have to go for the weather, and you can even bring this super big home screen widget into your lock screen. Take a look. It will look just like this. Literally, you can bring home screen widgets into the lock screen. And how to get this actually on your lock screen, how to enable this hidden option. So all you have to do is just to go into the Galaxy Store, download from applications, create Good Lock application, and in the Good Lock application, once we actually open this, we have to enable the Lockstar plugin that is just over here. And next to this, by clicking, we can add app widgets. And after you change everything, you will have to click done.